Hello everyone, welcome to part 153 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the orders module in which we are showing the user orders, my orders functionality, and in the last video we have displayed the user orders in my orders, and in this video we are going to show the complete order details. Okay, so let's see. In the last video we have shown the orders. The user can go here in his account, click on account and go here in my orders and can see all the orders he has placed so far. Okay, and now we are going to work on the view details. Okay, we are going to show the complete order details of the user. Okay, so let's start working on this thing. So first of all, I am going to show you the template. We are going to copy the template, order detail template from our eShop template. Okay, that we have downloaded in the beginning of the series. So that is from the sidemakers.in website. And if you have not downloaded the template, then you must download it by taking few simple steps that you can find in video description as well. Okay, so here you can see the order details. So this is the page that we want to integrate. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. See here, it's getting open, and see the page here. See, this is the page that we are going to integrate, okay, with this order tracking. Okay, so here you can see that this is the tracking for every item, but we don't have item wise shipping right now. We have just the order wise shipping status, means order wise order status we are having. We don't have the item status. Item status we will have whenever we will integrate the shipping module, like we have done in the previous series. Okay, but right now what we are going to do, we are going to integrate this one by taking the order status, that is the order wise. Okay, so along with the other details. So this is the page that we are going to embed. See, after clicking on that specific this here view details, this page will come up. Okay, this page will come up after clicking on this view details. So we are going to embed this one. We are going to create one page with something like this here, 1 2. See, the last one we are going to mention here the order ID. Okay, so right now this is the page for the displaying all the user orders, and after this we are going to send the id here, order id here, to display the order detail page. Okay, so that is the difference. So we are going to assign the url here as well, and I'm going to close this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, see, in the Sublime I am going to pick this order details as well, so that we can embed. And also we are going to do one thing. I'm going to open that orders.blade.php file that is located in front orders, and here I'm going to specify that url, order detail url. Okay, so I'm going to check here view details. So I'm going to see this one is the view details. So instead of this one, we are going to specify the url. That will be url. First one is the orders, and then order id. Okay, so here the order id will come. Sorry, here we are going to mention here the order id. Order id is here. We are having the order id here. Okay, and yeah, so this one is the view details. So here, see, once we will click here, see, we will reach here the order. See, this specific route that we are going to create in our next step. We are going to create this route in the web.php file. Okay, so here I'm going to create this route here. And one more thing, see, we are going to create the route with the user, so that we will also specify here. Okay, order details here, route get user, then orders. After that we are going to specify the order id. Okay, and here order controller at the rate of order details, like this. Okay, so we are going to specify this route. Okay, user then orders, like this. Okay, So now this function we are going to create under order controller model, sorry, order controller. In controller we are going to create this function, public function, this one, and here our order id is coming, and from this order id we are going to fetch the order details. And also see, not only order details, we also require the order product details as well. And I'm going to show you, will open its database as well so that it will be more clear to you. So we are going to open the project 10. Okay, so here you can see the orders, and here you can see the order underscore product. So this is the relation. We have already defined this relation in the order model. We're going to open, see, this is the relation there. So this relation we are going to attach here with the order, so that we will get the order product details as well, and we are going to match with this id, or that is the order id. Okay, and we are going to get we're going to use here first then to array to convert it to array, so that it will be easier to call there. So now return view here front orders, then order details. Okay, so here we are going to send this one with compact, and here order details, we are going to send this one order details here, but like this. Okay, fine. So we are going to add this one. So one more relation we are going to have here, and that is the user. See, we get the order details. Here I'm going to see here order details, and along with that I also want to get the user details as well, user details of the order. Okay, so you can say the user billing details. Okay, so I'm going to click on here view details, and still it is not coming because we need to refresh here. Now we will click, and here you can see that we are getting the order as well as the order product. There are 3 products in this order, so 3 products are coming in the array here. Okay, so it's fine. And along with that we are also going to fetch the user details, billing details, the user who has placed the order, so that details also we require. So because we want to show the billing details as well, like if you will see this specific page here, I'm going to open this one like this. See, here it's the billing details also we need to show here. See, shipping details we have got, these details we have got, order product details, and these details we are also having. So we also want to get the billing details. So billing details we will fetch from the user details. Okay, from the user. And so one more relation we are going to add here, every product belongs to one user. So here the relation is belongs to, we can also do has one. Okay, so it's your choice. So we are going to add the belongs to relation here. Okay, public function user, every order belongs to user, belongs to some user. So here the relation is belongs to. Here we are going to add another relation, belongs to, and this one we are going to add app models, and then user. Here we are going to pick user id. Okay, so that relation also we are going to add here along with that, this one. And now we are going to check here, refresh, and you can see the user we have also got. Okay, so user details also come along with the order product details. Okay, so now we have the complete details. And I am going to do one thing, I'm going to open one more url so that we take benefit of this one, and here we are going to display everything. Okay, so this one we are going to comment, and I'm going to add one page here, order underscore details blade file I'm going to create inside resources, views, and front orders. And here I'm going to create the new file, order underscore details. Okay, a new file, test file, order underscore details. I'm going to name it like order underscore details. I'm going to save this file and then rename it to blade.php. Okay, so like this. So this one I'm going to uh, see see earlier file is this one, now it's this one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to include this front design and section, and now in middle I'm going to add from that template that here it is. And here first of all we need to see that which part, that middle content part, header and footer we are having, just the middle content we require from here. Okay, see here we are having this footer. See my account, this one, and section inside this. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so we are going to do one thing here, like this one first I'm going to copy this one as well, because from here we also require that thing, because here we are already including few of the content, because all these pages are related to each other. Like if I'm going to refresh and will go in my account, here in account, and you can see so this also we require the sidebar. So that's why we are going to copy the complete orders blade file, so that we can at least get this sidebar and this header also maybe. So only the middle content we require, see. Okay, so we will get this sidebar, and also this one we will get from that particular file. Okay, so now see we have got this one, home, my account, it's fine. And see account sidebar is also included. So only thing that we require this one, so I'm going to search for this one in the file. So let's see if we will get this one. Then that, see, this is the thing that we are required to copy. Okay, this is the thing that we are required to copy, and nothing else we are required, just this part we are required. And this part I'm going to here it is. Okay, so I'm going to replace this one with this one. Okay, so now we are going to check once that whether we have replaced it correctly. See, some kind of alignment is required that we are going to do right now. Okay, so I'm going to do some alignment. So we're going to check once. I'm going to now we'll go that my orders, and we'll click on view details, and here we got it. Okay, so that same design we have able to embed in our Laravel e-commerce website. So now we will make it dynamic. Okay, we are already have complete details of the orders, so we are just required to add these details here. So let's start working on this one and see that how we can able to do this. And this first part, see, first part is order ID will come up here. So we are going to add the order ID. Simply we will get order ID here. See, I'm going to pick that order details. This is the array that we are having, and I'm going to add it here. Dollar will come in front, and then the ID will come like this. Okay, so I'm going to refresh, and we'll see once that yes, we have got it. Order ID 2 here also displaying order ID 2. So here also displaying correct order ID 2. So like this here also we are going to do, but before that I'm going to check here because here the date conversion is required. So I'm going to pick this one, so that will help us because here we have added that str to time. So this one will help us. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Only thing, I'm going to replace this order with the order details, and also this object with the array. We are using the array now, so I'm going to replace it with the array. Okay, like this. So I'm going to check once that whether the yes placed on February 22 2024 4:59 p.m. so it's perfect. Okay, and also the price. So price we are getting in grand total. So here we are going to show the grand total price. Here I'm going to edit grand total like this. So here I'm going to refresh it as well, and we have got the grand total price here. And now See, for each loop is required for all this. Okay, here come down, and here we're going to see that I think, yeah, see, two, we are going to remove these two, and only the for each loop is required here. So you can see that we are having this one order product, so for each loop is required for displaying these three products of the order. Okay, so for that we are going to add here the for each loop, for each, and here we are going to have that dollar order details, and here order underscore products as dollar key, and here dollar product. We have taken the dollar key because here is the requirement, so that's why. And for each, okay, so I'm going to open this one where we need to specify the product details. So here you can see the package 1, package 2, package 3. See, package 1 means product 1, product 2, product 3, so it's a kind of thing. Okay, we can also mention the product 1, product 2, so it's your choice. But here one, so we are going to take this one and we'll specify here, and we need to be careful because here the first maybe the 0, then we need to increment, but there is some issue. Order underscore products, let's see what is here, orders underscore products. So that is the issue, so we are going to replace it with the orders. It's the orders, not the order. Okay, so now see, you can see the package 0, so here we need to mention dollar key plus 1. Okay, so that the package will start from the 1, package 1 2 3, so it's fine. And now see, delivered on. So here, see, in this tracking we are going to start with the placed. Okay, here also we are going to mention the placed on. Okay, not the delivered on, because delivered on will only come if the order is actually delivered, otherwise it will not show. So that's why the placed on is better. And here also we will mention here the placed, because placed will always come, then shipped, then delivered. Okay, it's fine. So here we are going to check the order status here. Okay, because here, see, I'm going to refresh. See, this one, the place and shipped, if the order is only placed and the order status is not shipped right now, then this highlighter will be up till here. If the order is actually shipped, whether it is from the API or manually shipped by the admin, then we are going to display up till here. And if the order is displayed, then we are going to highlight up till here. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do with all the products. Okay, so like I have told you that now see, we don't have the item wise thing like we have done in the multi vendor e-commerce series. In the another series, we are managing every item separately, because in that multi vendor series every item can be placed from different vendors, but here is not, that concept is not there. Okay, see, every item can must be belong to one person, one client only. Okay, so here it will remain the same for all the items. See, tagging will remain the same for all the items, because we are going to compare with the order wise we are taking it as. Okay, so here we are going to add the conditions now. For the first, we are going to add for the shipped. Okay, so what we are going to check, we are going to check the order status, that the order status is shipped or not. So here we are going to add, first of all we are going to align so that it will be more clear, like this. Okay, so here we are going to add here the condition, if dollar order details order status equal to order status equal to shipped. Okay, then one class, else another class. And if, so what is the another class that is not highlighted, that we can pick from here. Here you can see the difference. Here the timeline li finish is here in class, that is actually shipped. Okay, otherwise if it is not shipped, then the simple ones without finish class. Okay, so here we are going to add this one. So same thing we are going to do there as well in case of delivered. So I'm going to copy this one and we'll place it here as well. Only difference is here we are going to mention delivered, align it as well. Okay, so now we are going to check it once. Let's see, and here I'm going to refresh and see all this one is up till placed only, because we have not shipped. See, we will ship whenever we are going to integrate this one, then we are going to manually update this order status to ship. Then at that time it will be highlighted up till here. Okay, so now placed, shipped and delivered is coming along with placed on, and this one you can keep it standard because we don't have any kind of see delivery partner module is not there. So right now it's just the standard. Okay, so other than this we are going to mention here the product name, quantity, and total is not required though. For every product it's not required, so we're going to disable this one. But size as well as the color, yeah, product name, product code as well as the size we are going to mention here. Okay, so that we are going to show product name, where it is, here it is, product name. Here we are going to show the product name, product name. Okay, along with that we are going to show the product code as well in brackets. We are going to show the product code in bracket, product code. Okay, and here we are going to add the quantity, product quantity, product underscore q2y, and also we are going to do one more thing here. We are going to add here site. I'm going to give the here because site is important to give, so that's why site we are going to give here dollar product, then product size. That's done. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it and we'll see. You can see this one is the product name, product code, size, quantity, and this one, this price is not required though, but if you want to give, then we can also give. Okay, let's give it price. We're going to give I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so here is the price, that is the product price. So let's see. So price is also coming 680, 595. Okay, whatever it is, 540. Okay, so the subtotal we are going to give here. So for that we are going to do one thing here, like we have done in the checkout as well, for showing the subtotal here, subtotal price. uh, Here also we are doing one thing. We are having this one total price here. So here also we're going to mention this total price, and this total price we are calculating here like this one. So I'm going to just copy and we'll make changes, and here also we are going to mention this total price. But here we are not getting here in this one, we are getting it this one, like we are mentioning this one. I'm going to copy this one, product price, and here we'll replace it with the product price like this one. And after that here also I'm going to mention product. Okay, so this one is the total price that we are going to display in subtotal. Where is the subtotal? Here it is. I need to open this one. Okay, and shipping and billing address is also required. Okay, so that also we are going to give. But first total price, let's check once that total price is coming. Yes, 1815 is the total price. That is you can see 540 plus 680 plus 595. Okay, so there is no shipping fees right now, but at least we will give the that variable, because whenever we will integrate the shipping charges, then it will come here. So I'm going to here, at least I'm going to give the that mention that one, order details, shipping charges. Okay, So taxes are not there, but discount is there. Discount is coming in the coupon amount. Okay, so that is coming in the coupon amount. So whatever it is, if there is some, I'm going to copy this one here so that it will save time. Just the variable we need to replace. Okay, here the grand total will come, grand total, and here the coupon amount will come. Coupon amount, where it is, here it is. Okay, coupon amount. So and here the that order status paid by, see, so the payment method will come, that which payment method you paid by, whether by COD or some other payment method. So now I'm going to refresh it and let's see. Yes, discount is not coming. So what we are going to do here, see, if it is not coming, then we are going to show the 0 here. Okay, so for that, if count is greater than 0, then it's fine, else we are going to show 0. Okay, and if we need to show some spaces, that is mandatory. Okay, so that is some space give. Yeah, now I think it must work fine. Yes. Okay, so here 0 for this one, paid by COD, grand total is here, discount. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. And also we will give this one is pending, shipping address as well as the billing address. Okay, so we are going to give the shipping address is gone in the order details. Okay, here we can see that this is the shipping address. Okay, name, address, city. So here we are going to mention this dollar order details name, like this. And now other one also, we are having the address, and after that we are having that after address, what we are having, city, state, city, then state, then pin code, yeah, pin code is here, then country, and here the mobile. So we are going to check once that whether shipping address we able to show here or not, and you can see the shipping address is fine, we able to show this shipping address here. So like this we are going to show the billing address as well. I am going to copy this one and will paste there, it will save the time. Okay, so only difference is here we are going to use the user. Okay, so user in between of this one and also here. Okay, so here also name will come, and also here we're going to mention the name, and here we are going to mention the mobile. Okay, so only thing that user will come up here, user will come. Okay, so because this is the user details, billing details it is. So now we are going to mention this one like this. So, okay, fine, and now we are going to refresh. Oh, I refreshed it by mistake, so no issue, now it's almost done. And here you can see now the see, billing address is also coming, shipping address is also coming. Yeah, billing, so make sure that this one is correct. Yeah, billing address, yeah, fine, this one is the delivery shipping address. So it's fine, shipping address and billing address is same right now, so it is showing the same one. Okay, and make sure that see, address is having some difference, otherwise it is same. Okay, so in the next video we are going to show these images, product images, and we'll complete this order module at the front end. Then we will start working on the admin end. We are going to show the order details in admin, that the admin can able to update as well. Okay, so in the next video we are going to show these product images. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.